हेलो बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज राउंड लॉ फॉर टू वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूशंस। ओके, आइए इस टॉपिक को हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। सपोज इफ वी टेक टू सॉल्यूशंस, ओके, दैट इज सॉल्यूशन नंबर ए, that is solution A, and also when we take in solution B, right? This solution A is volatile nature and solution B is also volatile nature. Means both solution has formed their vapor pressure. Solution A is also volatile in nature and solution B is also volatile in nature. Okay. Then according to Raoult law, the vapor pressure of A is directly proportional to its mole fraction, and also the vapor pressure of B is directly proportional to its mole fraction. It means if we increase the mole fraction of A in liquid medium, then the vapor pressure of A also increases, and if we increase the mole fraction of B in liquid medium, the vapor pressure of B is also increasing. Okay, it means if we replace this proportion, then pressure of A is equal to P naught A into XA, and also pressure of B is equal to P naught B into XA, right? Here P naught A is equal to pure vapor pressure, okay, of A, and also P naught B is equal to pure vapor pressure of B, right? If we retain the net pressure, it means pressure of solution is equal to PA plus P, right? Means the pressure of solution is equal to sum of the pressure of A and pressure of B. Put this value, we obtain pressure of solution is equal to P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XA, right? These are the final equation. We also know that the mole fraction of A means XA plus XB is equal to 1. Put up this value, that is XB is equal to 1 minus XA. Then we also obtain an equation, that is PS is equal to P naught A into XA and plus P naught B into 1 minus XA. Okay, if we solving this equation, we have to obtain PS is equal to P naught A into XA and plus P naught B minus P naught A into P naught B into XA. Here XA and also here present XA, both are the common. Then the pressure of solution is equal to P naught A minus, this is P naught A minus P naught B, close the bracket, XA and plus P naught B. These are the final equation. Okay, again we have also a graph is draw for this equation. Okay, आइए ग्राफ देखते हैं. Okay, the graph for the Raoult law for two volatile solutions. In y-axis we represent the vapor pressure, and on x-axis we represent the x means mole fraction, right? Mole fraction. If we take a mole fraction, that is XA is equal to 1 and XB is equal to 0. Initially the mole fraction of A is maximum and the mole fraction of B is minimum, and finally we obtain the mole fraction of A is reduces and reach at 0, and mole fraction of B is continuously increases, it is reaches at maximum. These are the graph of the solution. This is represented means the mole fraction of B is 0 and it is increases continuously, therefore it represents the pressure of B, and also maximum mole fraction and mole fraction of A is continuously decreases, this is represent the pressure of A. If we join these 2 points, we obtain the vapor pressure of solution, and the vapor pressure of solution is equal to pressure of A plus pressure of B, and pressure of A is equal to also written P naught A into XA, and pressure of B is also written P naught B into XA. Okay, these are the graphs of the Raoult law for two volatile solutions. Okay, क्वेश्चन क्लास 12 केमिस्ट्री के कंपार्टमेंट एग्जाम में आया है. आइए इस क्वेश्चन का सलूशन हम देखते हैं. The question is says that the vapor pressure of two pure liquid A and B at 400 Kelvin or 500 and 700 mmHg respectively. Okay, and the question asking find out the composition of the liquid mixture if the total vapor pressure of the mixture is 600 mmHg. Okay, it means we have to asking that the composition means XA is equal to question mark and XB is equal to also question mark, because XA is the mole fraction of A in liquid medium and XB is also the mole fraction of B in liquid medium. Firstly, we use the formula for Raoult law of two volatile solution. Okay, the formula is the vapor pressure of solution is equal to pure vapor pressure of A into mole fraction A plus pure vapor pressure B into mole fraction of B. In the question, it given that the vapor pressure of solution is that is 600 mmHg. Okay, and the pure vapor pressure of A is equal to 450 mmHg, right? And the pure vapor pressure of B is also given, that is 700 mmHg. Okay, we have to solve this question. The vapor pressure of solution is given 600 is equal to pure vapor pressure is equal to given that is 450 into mole fraction of A plus pure vapor pressure of B is given that is 700, okay, into mole fraction that is of B. But we know that the mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. Then we also write this, the mole fraction of B is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of A. Put up this value in this equation. 600 is equal to 450 into XA plus 1 minus XA into 700. Simply we solve this equation. 600 is equal to 450 XA, okay, plus 700 minus 700 XA. Okay, solve this equation. 600 is equal to we subtract that 700 minus 250 XA, right? Put the value is 250 XA is equal to 700 minus 600. Okay, again we solving this. The value of the XA is equal to 100 upon May, that is 250. Okay, this is cancelled. 5 to the 5. The value of the XA is obtained 2 by 5. Okay, then what is the value of the XB? Value of the XB is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. These are the answer of this question. Okay, thank you.